you guys, it's Judy here with my life as Kikay, and welcome to today's video. I'm going to be creating a makeup look using the JUVIA'S Masquerade eyeshadow palette. Kikay is a Filipino slang word for someone who loves makeup, beauty, and fashion. And on this channel, I create videos about exactly those things. My aim with my channel is to entertain, educate, and enrich the lives of others. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. I'd love for you to join the Kikay family. And if you're returning here to my channel, then welcome back. When I was editing the video where I swatched and reviewed every single one of my 14 JUVIA'S eyeshadow palettes, I was looking back through the old videos on my YouTube channel and imagined my shock and horror when I realized that I didn't have a dedicated video using the JUVIA'S Masquerade eyeshadow palette, and if I did, I couldn't find it. I simply cannot remember filming a video creating a makeup look using the JUVIA'S Masquerade eyeshadow palette, and this is where it all began. If I'm not mistaken, this is the very first eyeshadow palette that JUVIA'S ever came out with, and I don't know how I missed that memo where I didn't create a video using this palette. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. On my channel, I've created several eyeshadow looks using pinks and purples. So today I'm going to be doing my best to completely veer away from that color story and use more maybe the blues, the greens, and the browns and golds. So let's see how I go with that. I just naturally gravitate towards the pink and purple because I love those shades in an eyeshadow look. So I'm going to get out of my comfort zone and use the shadows that I don't normally gravitate towards. So that's what's going on with today's video. I'm not going to be doing a talk through makeup tutorial because I'm finding that those videos end up so much longer than if I edit them in the Instagram style type of makeup tutorial. Sound off in the comments down below if that is what you guys like to see. Do you like the talk through makeup tutorials? Do you like the Instagram edited type of makeup tutorials? I find that my audience retention drops off because they're so long if I'm doing a talk through tutorial. Let me know what you guys like to see. Let me know what you appreciate watching. I know everyone's voice is different. Everyone likes different things, but majority will go with majority, I suppose. If you guys also are getting sick of watching JUVIA'S and makeup looks here on my channel, let me know. I'll change it up. It's just that these palettes are the ones that I love the most and that I have the most fun using because, I mean, look at these colors, look at these shades, and this is just one of them. Also, going back through my old videos, I realized that all the eyeshadow looks that I've created using the Magic, the Nubian, the Saharan, the Festival, the African, I mean, like all of these, it's just I didn't like those makeup looks. I could probably really improve upon them, so I'm going to be recreating new makeup looks in the future using each one of these eyeshadow palettes. Of course, when I film my new and updated complete JUVIA'S eyeshadow palette collection, they come out with another 3 palettes in the last month, the Fumi, the Warrior 3, and now the Nomad. I'm so excited to add those 3 new eyeshadow palettes to my collection, but so far this is what I've got, and I'm gonna go back to the absolute beginning of JUVIA'S eyeshadow palettes and create a look using the Masquerade. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. I'm just gonna play some music, create a look, and let's see what I come up with. Alright, I'm going to listen to some Raw Beauty Christie while I put on my makeup.
Just put on like an 80s playlist and it will make you so happy with like Hall & Oates.
I've been filming this makeup look for like forever. I kind of want lashes, but at the same time, I don't want the pain of putting on the lashes. So I'm just gonna skip lashes altogether and just, I've done a several coat layer of mascara, and that's gonna have to do. I should have just done a talk through tutorial. I was feeling chatty. I should have just gone with it while I was in the mood. But anyway, it's done now. Most of the face is done. I'm gonna go in with lips. For the lip liner, I'm gonna be using the ColourPop Lippy Pencil in the shade BFF3. I love these ColourPop Lippy pencils, but the worst thing about them is that the tube of color just gets pressed back into there, and it's just really annoying. That's why I gotta jerk it like this. I swear, this lip is smaller and thinner than this side. It always looks so wonky. I'm just gonna overline my lips today because that's just how it's happened already anyway. And to fill in the center of my lips, I'm gonna go in with the ColourPop Lippy Stick. Ew, yuck! I'm not gonna be going in with the ColourPop Lippy Stick because that's covered in mold. Ew, gross, disgusting. Ugh. Throw away your old makeup, kids. Ew, that is embarrassing. That was on camera. Ew, gross. Okay, I'm getting rid of that right now. Alright, this one is the ColourPop Bullet Lipstick. I think it's an ultra, and it's not an ultra satin. Anyway, it's this one, and it's in the shade What's Your Sign? That's one way to make your lips look bigger even though they're not. Oh, highlight. I cannot forget highlight. Nearly done, nearly done. Okay, so for highlight, I'm going to use the shade Giza in the Masquerade palette. And before we go in with that highlight, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the SKINDINAVIA Makeup Finishing Spray. And I'm just gonna apply that shade with the sponge. And I'm just going to blend in a little bit more of that blush in with the highlight, just so that it looks a little bit more seamless. Next level. Some gloss on the lips. And for the gloss, I'm just going to be using the Ultra Glossy Lip from ColourPop in the shade Kumquat. And just tap that right in the center of my lips. And knowing me, this is probably going to end up all over my teeth, and y'all can laugh about it later. I have well and truly overdrawn and overlined my lips, and I'm perfectly okay with that. I guess that's it for the look. Well, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I kind of wish I did a talk through video because I was just in the mood to chat with you guys, but you know what, it's okay. What's done is done. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. It's definitely not anything that hasn't been done under the sun, but I've had fun creating it, and I'm really enjoying having a bit of blue on my eyes again. I haven't really filmed a video in maybe 2 weeks because I've done a bit of pre-filming, and it was just nice to get back into it and finally get filming on a day where I actually feel like filming. So today I've got a lineup of, hopefully I get 4 videos filmed today. Anyway, that's all completely irrelevant. As always, I've enjoyed using this JUVIA'S Masquerade eyeshadow palette. Love the look that I came up with it. Obviously, you can do so many more looks using this palette. If you guys have not yet seen my full swatch video where I've swatched every single one of my 14 JUVIA'S eyeshadow palettes, then I'm going to leave that video linked in the description box down below or in the info card up here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, as always, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, and ring the notification bell because I put out 3 videos every single week. If you do enjoy my JUVIA'S makeup looks, then please be sure to let me know. Give me some feedback. I always want to know what you guys are thinking or feeling. I just really enjoy playing with the colors and the different looks that you can create from one eyeshadow palette. And I know that there are people searching for these looks because the JUVIA'S keyword is so freaking hot on YouTube right now. So I'm going to be creating more looks using these palettes, even though maybe I have created one look already on my channel. I want to create more because you can create so many more looks than just one look from these different eyeshadow palettes. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna save those for another video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for being here. I really truly appreciate that you have chosen to spend your time here with me today. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye! My goal today is to film 4 videos. Let's see how I go. The Nomad palette has just been released. I'm gonna go buy it! Okay, so I literally paused filming this video so I could go buy the new JUVIA'S place, the last 3 that they've released, and I didn't have the Fumi, the Nomad, and the Warrior 3. I just blacked out and went and bought all 3. I should have waited for Black Friday because they probably have some really good sales, but from experience, every single time I go and buy something, especially when I want to get more than one item, one's sold out and then I have to pay for shipping for that one, and then another one releases and the next one is sold out and then I have to go pay shipping for that one. So I thought I would just save shipping in the long run just by buying them all at once, even though there's no sale going on. Does that make any sense? I hope so. Anyway, I need to stop justifying my love for JUVIA'S place, you guys. Y'all know it's real. Y'all know it's 100%. I don't regret spending this money at all, but I probably will when I don't have any food to eat next week. But anyway, that's a minor detail. Let's not worry about that right now. I mean, like we all know though, I don't need to eat anymore anyway, so. Anyway, what was I doing? Yes, I was filming a look using this Masquerade palette. Okay, shut up, Judy. Just start putting makeup on your face. Let's get this video done. Gross. Ew. Yuck. Let's find a non-expired lipstick, shall we? I don't even know what it is. And before I go in with that, I'm gonna burp. The Skindinavia makeup. Skindinavia. I love wearing gloss, but that's the thing, my hair keeps sticking to it. I've recently discovered that fanning myself makes my hair go like this and it makes look all pretty for the montage. But then it makes my eyes dry. So thank you guys so much for watching.